Okay, so I have recorded it. So Jale and the others will be able to see. Okay, now now let me, Chris, can you now open up the slides? Unit 7, go to group by. That is unit 8. Go to unit 7.
Unit 7?
Yeah, because we need to finish the last part of unit 7. The slide, yeah. Okay, so in that we have slide number 22. Slide number 22. Okay, before we do this, okay, now I want us to do this manually. Okay, Chris, I want you to open up the customer table. Customer table from the PVFC. PVFC customer table. Can you share customer table? Okay, customer table PVFC.
Yeah, customer table.
Okay, now okay, that's customer table. Now we want to have an output. Okay, now can you open up what is it called, an Excel sheet right next to that? Is it possible to have an Excel sheet?
Yes.
Okay, can you do that?
Is that okay?
Okay, now I want you to one column I want you to have customer customer state, and then second column count. No, count, COUNT, count. Okay, now make everybody help. Okay, Elisette, you help. Okay, now make a list of all the customer states. Florida, Texas.
Florida, Texas.
Yeah. Texas.
California.
California, Colorado, Washington. Okay, you have two California. Remove that.
Hawaii.
Yeah. Okay.
So, okay, one.
Yeah, only one each. Okay. Yeah. So help her identify the ones that are uniquely. Okay. NJ is repeating. Michigan. Is Michigan repeating? No. PA.
Chicago also.
Hawaii, Utah. Hawaii, is it repeating? No, no. Now cross check for Hawaii. Any states that are repeating.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay.
CLT.
Everybody help.
Yeah.
Okay. Now count. How many Florida? And then put it there.
Florida, 3.
Okay, put 3. Okay, next.
Texas
Okay.
1,
Okay.
PA, and California CO.
Okay. Now, this is the output we want. What does this do? Okay. This is what did you do just now? You had a list of all the states, and then you counted how many times each of those states repeated itself. Meaning, you counted how many customers are from each state, isn't it? Am I
Yes.
right? How many customers? That means PVFC have 3 customers in Florida. PVFC have 1 customer in Texas, 1 customer in New York, 2 customers in New Jersey, 2 customers in California, 1 customer in Colorado, 1 customer in Washington, blah 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 blah. Okay. Now you counted and also you grouped it. Right? You grouped the count by states, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. Now go to the slides. That's exactly what you want to get, the output. Okay. Go back to the slides. Okay. Now copy that script. Okay. Now underscore T. Now now execute it. Where is the output? What happened? Did you put semicolon? I think it should work without.
Maybe in here.
Yeah, maybe. No. Count. Okay. Now delete the space in between count and customer state. Okay. Put semicolon at the end. Semicolon at the end of the.
In here.
No, at the end of the script. Semicolon at the end of the script.
Oh yeah.
That should not make a difference. Try again.
Without group. No, what's it? Error code in a grade reading without group down sessions 1.
Did you execute it? Group by.
Yeah.
Oh, you did not copy everything, Chris. Sorry, you did not copy everything.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry.
The group by. Remove the semicolon. Remove the semicolon now. Okay. You saw that? Is it exactly the same as your Excel output? Check the your. Did you see that? What did the What did the script do? The script counted the frequency of Florida, okay, and then the frequency of Texas, NY, NJ, California, and so forth. Exactly what you did manually. Okay, the script did it for you. Is that clear? That's why I wanted you to do it manually. Okay, is that clear? Now after that yeah. So after that you see that's the only way for me to explain it to you, and then it's up to you now to internalize that script on your own. Now you understood how it works. Okay, it's up to you to internalize the script on your own. So the group by, the new function here is group by, meaning you're grouping the state and then counting the number of customers in each state. Now, Chris, I want you to go to your data set. Okay, go to your data set. Where do you think you can do the group by? I think your data set. Yeah, last night I saw. Let's see your customers.
Customer?
Yeah, let's see your customers. Your customers are also okay. Good. Now you see the why unknown columns.
Maybe I think I'm spacing in here.
You put spaces.
Yeah, in that maybe.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Like that.
Oh.
That's why maybe.
Yes. It is taking the top row as a name of the column. You see. Oh yeah. You see. Look at that. Your attribute names. They are taken as a record. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Customer ID, cust ID, cust name is taken as a row. Oh, can you import it again? Do it quickly. Or Tengi, would you like to try it? Would you like to open up the or Chris, can you quickly do it? What do you think? Chris, do you think you can quickly fix it, or Tengi will do it? Would you like to execute that script from using your customer table, Tengi?
Customer. I haven't added, I think. Only employee.
Okay. Chris, can you share your screen?
Yeah.
You can do it. Okay. Now go to your customer table. Now delete that. Okay. No, you have just inserted. Okay. Now go to go. Okay. Now go to drop that table, your customer table. Drop it, and then drop table. Drop now. Okay. Now import it.
Oh, it's down already.
Yeah, it has to be .csv. Okay, now good. Now execute the script. Copy the script. You have it already, you know. Anyway, yeah. Okay. Now change the attribute names. Customers. No, don't delete everything. Only the attribute names. Okay, it's the same. No, customer state. Count customer state from customer. The same. What is the name of the table? I think it is customer underscore. What is the name of your table? Is
Customer ID. Customer, yeah.
Is the same? No.
Yeah, customer table. Yeah.
It looks very long. It's the same?
Yes.
Okay, now execute it.
Oh.
It's not your customer underscore T does not exist. See, look, it's very long. Oh, can you make this bigger? This one?
This one?
Your customer, the name is very long. Customer underscore T hyphen customer underscore T. That is your.
Why?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Your table name is double.
Yeah, double.
Oh, I don't know.
Can you? Is it possible to change it? I don't know. Why is it repeating itself?
Yeah, it should only be customer T.
Yeah. So I
just downloaded this one.
Yeah, rename.
I put that name.
Rename.
Just only one time. And then when I do this one,
so it is creating. So rename it. rename that when you download it. Yeah, rename that. Yeah, yeah.
Customer.
Yeah, or you can just make it customer. Okay.
It's not a customer team
Yeah,
because
yeah, yeah.
every table has a team.
Yeah. So drop the table. Good. You are becoming very good at it. Yeah. The more you practice. Refresh. Good. Okay. Now, copy that script.
Which slide is that one?
Slide. Unit 7. Slide number what?
22.
Not unit 8. I'm looking at unit 8. The one
Unit 7. Unit 7. This particular script. There. Look at that, Chris. Okay. Now it's look at that. It's counting the number of customers from Metro Manila, Cavite, and Cebu for you. And so it is giving you the number of customers from each region that you are operating businesses. Okay? It is grouping it by. You are grouping it by your customer state. Is that clear? Very good. I'm so proud of you. I'm very, very proud of Tengi and Chris. Okay? So,
we name the customer state like past state. So we should rename.
You should change the. See, Chris had kept the original name of the attributes. For you, Tengi, would you try? Please, can you do that? Can you share your screen? Try it. I want to see that. Upload your customer table. Because you changed the attribute names. It's good. It's okay. Doesn't matter. Upload your customer table. Very good. Now Chris is already meeting the requirements of the final project, including the scripts. Okay. Okay, there, and then import table date. Import customer. Yeah, yeah. Just say next. What happened?
Table there. Fine, not loaded properly.
Did you save it as .csv? What happened? Create new table.
Customer team. Create new table. Start.
What happened?
Customer team.
Wait. Okay. Just a minute. Can you? See, is your file type? Is the file type? Is it .csv? But yesterday you were able to import it. Okay, it's a .csv. Can I see your table? Can I see your table? Open your table. Double click. Yeah, double click on it, then it will. Okay, did you see that? You know why? The names are still in quotation marks. Remove it now. Remove it.
Yeah.
They are in quotation marks. That's why it could not import. Now do it. Let's see how fast your fingers can go. I'll wait, no problem. Lola, Chale, and they can watch the recording and then they'll be fine. Okay, now save it. Okay, now thingy, your output is going to be how? It's going to have Manila. No, customer state, right? Metro Manila, then the count will be 2. Cavite, 2. Mindoro Oriental, 2. Batangas, 2. Palawan, 2. Isn't it?
Yes.
Right? Because it's going to give you a list of all the customer states, that is cust state, in one column, and in one column it's going to give you the count of each state. That means the number of customers operating in each of the state. Okay, your customers, right? Now import that.
That's 19.
Good. Okay, finish. Okay, refresh. Okay, let's see. Okay, now import the now copy paste the script
That's good.
from the slide. Where is the slide? The slide.
That's like I open only unit 8.
Oh, okay. Where is unit? Okay, okay. Maybe you can share the script to her through the messages. Okay. See, which number? Oh, okay. Up. Okay, 24. Okay. No. Up some more. Up some more.
Okay.
Go up. Go up.
Message.
Previous slide. Number. Which number is that? Which slide number?
22.
Okay.
There have on a message.
Okay. Check the chat.
Okay.
Check the chat. She shared it with you. Yeah. Check the chat. The Zoom chat. Just now she shared it with you. Or is it Facebook?
Zoom chat.
Yeah.
Facebook.
Zoom chat. No. Zoom.
Okay.
Check.
Yes.
No. From the from your no, the Zoom chat. Okay, then share it to the Facebook group chat. Or if you want, you can type too.
Here.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. What is this black?
From I
Okay.
have to write. From
What
past.
is this black thing?
Huh?
Wait.
No, my cursor are sharing.
Yeah.
So
Okay. So change the attribute names. I cannot see it. I don't know what happened. Okay. Now it's gone. Okay. Cust. What is the name? Okay. Cust underscore state. Right. Cust underscore state. So count cust underscore state. You see that is a good exercise from cust group by cust underscore state. You are telling the MySQL count the number of cust. Okay. Yeah. Now execute it. Okay. Where is the mistake? Check the message.
Arrow go.
Okay, the
count and past
the
state,
space,
there have no space.
no space. You see that is a thing with okay, remove the okay, now execute it. You see?
Okay.
Yeah,
Yes.
fantastic. Okay, so yeah, so you are telling these are advanced SQL, actually. These are very sophisticated SQL already. Remember, remember that why you are made to do this project is because when you look for a job, you have to be able to show something that you did, not writing an exam and getting an A. Okay, that's not the point of these things. So that's why your project, the report should be done beautifully, the documentation, and learn these scripts very, very well. Then you can tell your prospective employers or anybody that I did this project, I designed an e-commerce website, architectural design, and I implemented SQL. And you can say up to advanced SQL group by. Now we are going to join different types of join. We are going to learn how to join. Okay, so did you see that? Okay, Chris, now share your screen. So now both of you are able to implement the script on your data set. That is a great achievement, huh? Okay, now go to unit 8. Oh, okay. Now, wait. 7. You can make. There are like you can. Where is it? There's another one.
Unit 7.
Yeah, unit 7. The next slide. Okay, that's the output. Okay, that's the output. And having count. See, this is just some more sophisticated. You can say the same thing. So if you want your the script to give you where customers are more, where you have more than one customer. So you put having count customer state greater than 1. Did you see that? Just just type that much. Having count. That's for you to explore. Having count. Type that. Having count. Having count.
No space. Huh?
No space. You will get into trouble again. Yeah. So if you want SQL to list all the states where you have more than one customer, then you will put this. Okay. Now, copy that. Go to MySQL. Now add it to your existing script. Where is that? Where is that existing script? No, the script the group by script. Add it to the group by script. Where is it? I think at the end. The customer underscore T. Go to the right. The tab. The second last. There. Okay. Now. Add it. Now go to the script. Remove that semicolon. Remove that semicolon. Just add it to that existing script. Okay. Now execute that. This is going to give you a list of all the states where you have more than one customer. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now say put more than 2. Instead of 1, put 2. Then you will have only Kavite. You see that? Is that clear? Is that clear? Good. Good. Now, Tegi, copy, send that to Tegi, this script, send it to her
Yeah,
through the
I
messenger.
have done it.
Okay, now.
Because I have all customer equal, like true.
Okay. Okay, so you will not have any, customers listed, right?
Yeah.
Good. Good.
Yeah. 1 for 1, yeah.
Okay, then more than 2?
And if I true, then nothing.
Nothing, because all your customers have more than only 2. Good, very good, fantastic, right? Now that is a slight variation. Okay, so let's move on to let's move on to unit 8. That is a join. Now all this while you were doing join manually, now you will do it using script. Okay, now what I want you to do is, okay, now go to the first. Okay, now that is the first script, right? Wait. Okay, now type that script.
Already.
It's already there. Oh,
yes.
Okay. Now copy paste that. And before you execute it, I want you to open up your customer. Yeah. Okay. No, that one, remove it. Okay. Now before you do that, can you open up the PVFC order table and customer table?
Order table.
In Excel. Can you open it in Excel? Open both and then we will see.
The order table and
Order table and customer table. We are now going to join. Okay.
order table and customer table.
Can you put them side by side? Because we are joining the two tables. Okay, now what is going to happen is that, okay, the script is going to look for a match. Okay, so based on the customer ID. So customer ID 1 is going to look for a match in order table. Okay, and then customer 2 ID 2 is going to look for a match in order table. That is what is going to happen, and it's going to give you a list of customer ID from both the let's see, execute it. Execute my SQL. Where is it? Okay, execute it. Okay, you see that. So that there are two customer IDs listed, one from customer table and one from order table. Okay, you see, look at the script. Select customer blah blah blah. Actually, you can just say select star from customer ID customer underscore T comma order underscore T. That means you are ordering my SQL to join two tables. What are they? Customer underscore T and order underscore T. Okay, where customer underscore T dot customer ID is equal to order underscore T dot customer ID. So that means customer ID number 1 from customer table is going to go over to the order table and look for a match. Okay, so now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now do you see 6? Do you see 6 and 7? No, go back to the two tables, customer table and order table. Okay, now why you do not see 6? Because it could not. Why? Because it could not find a match in the order table. You understand, no? Let me do it. Can you stop sharing the screen? Okay. Now I am going to open PVFC table. Now this is
did I
share?
Make any order?
Huh?
Customer didn't make any order.
Correct. So share and then okay, now order table. Can you see both the tables?
Yes.
Okay. So what is going to happen here is, okay, I have made the customer table open to the left because the script said so. What does the script say? Okay, let me open up my SQL. Oh wait. Okay, I have put the customer table on the left and order Jamovi started. By mistake I clicked on something. Oh. Okay, did you see this one now? I have the customer table and I have the order table. Okay, so what is happening here is I'm explaining it to you how the script works. Okay, then after that you can, if you understand how it works, the script is very easy to understand. It's broken English. So it's here, customer 1. Okay, 1 is going to go over to the, literally it's going to go over to the order table and look for a match. Now it found a match here. Okay, it found a match. Then it's going to, just like how you did, we have been doing that all the time, and then created a temporary table. That's what we have been doing, and then created a join table. That is the output. Okay, and then here it will then once it's done, it's going back. Then customer ID 2, it will go to order table and look for a match. Where it will look here, it is not matching. Look here, not matching. Look here, not matching. Look here, not matching. Here it found one, and then created the join table and then display it. The same thing with 3. It will go from, and then it will go here, not matching, not matching, not matching, not matching. Found a match. Join. Is that clear? Okay, and then 4, it will do the same thing. 5, it will do the same thing. It found a match. 6, now look at this. It will look, it's not matching. Here, not matching. No, 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 no. Therefore, it will not display anything. That's why you did not find anything in the output. Is that clear? Because it could not find a match. You did that in the class manually. Okay, so and then the same thing with 7. Now it will look for a match. It will go from top to bottom. 1, 2, 3, 1, 8, 15, 5, 3, 2, 11, 12, 4, 1, up to the end of the record. Nothing. So it will not give you a match. It will not be listed. So, and therefore, what happened? Now you can see my can you see my SQL? You can see now?
No.
Huh?
No, we just only see the customer table.
Okay, now I will stop sharing. Now Chris, show your my SQL screen. Okay, the output. See, there are two columns, customer ID column and two columns. The customer ID is from customer table, the first column. The customer ID is from order table. Okay, it is displaying both the customer ID from both the tables. That is equijoin. Okay, it is equijoin, meaning it's looking for a match and then displaying it. Now it did not find a match for 6, it did not display. Okay, so you have to it's very simple. But you have to take time to look at it and do it manually. Okay, now Chris, execute this on your data set. Customer and orders, right? Okay, execute that. Are the attribute names exactly the same?
Yes.
Okay. Moment of truth. No.
Oh, you need to use
Your customer ID, your customer table. Order underscore T. Let's see your customer name, unknown column. Let's see the columns. I think there was a. Wait, let's see your customer table. Yeah, it's different.
Cast name.
Yeah, cast.
name.
Okay.
And how about in the order?
Cast ID. You see cast ID. Also, the other order table. Yeah, order table.
Customer.
You see, wait, Chris, it has to be exactly the same. Now that is where you went wrong. Chris, it will not work. So you need to now make changes to your table. Now go back and make changes to your drop that order table. Drop your order table.
Sure.
Now go drop it. Now you see cast ID. It has to be cast ID in order table as well. Go back.
Cast ID and for order, I need to change, right?
Yeah, the attribute names have to be consistent throughout. If you make those changes, it is a fatal flaw. A fatal flaw, silly fatal flaw, I should say. Some things that could have been avoided. An oversight. Make sure the attribute names remain consistent throughout, huh? Have you uploaded your order table? Have you made changes to your order table? Have you made changes to order ID, order? Where is your order table, Chris? Let's see. Your order table? Okay, good. Good. Now where is the script? Okay, so cast ID, and also where. Okay, the names of the attributes, that's for you too. The tables are the same. Cast ID. You see from customer underscore T comma order T, that means you are joining two tables. You're telling MySQL join these two tables. How? look for a match from customer table on customer ID. Take the customer ID from customer table and match it to the customer ID in order table. Is that clear? That is what you are telling you have been doing that manually from the get-go. Okay, now you see that? Fantastic, Chris. So that the first column, fantastic, very very proud of you, both of you. The cust ID, the cust ID from the first column is the cust ID from customer table. Is that clear? The cust ID from the second column is the cust ID from the order table. So from the order table, it goes to the order table literally, huh? It looks for a match, and then
Customer table.
and then displays it.
And
So customer who there are no customers who did not. Are there any customers who did not make order? Let's see. Look, can I see your customer table? Okay, all 8 customers made orders, right? Yeah. So if you had, maybe you can make Chris. Is it okay? Okay, now you understand. If you have a customer who did not make an order, it would not have displayed. You want to try inserting a customer number 9 and then not making any order? I think it's good to do that. Can you? Where is the insert script? Do you have the insert script from the beginning?
Yeah.
Get that. Let's insert customer number 9. Let's insert customer number 9, and then you will see how the join works. Where is it? Insert or update, or I don't know. Yes, do that. Insert into, yeah, value. Copy that. Thank you. Be prepared to execute your script. The script also on your data set. Okay, copy that. Values also. Yeah, and then okay. Now copy that. Okay. Yeah, only that much. You are inserting only one row. Okay. Where is it? Put it on the customer. Okay. Now you need to insert into customer underscore T underscore T customer. Yeah. Okay. You see it showed up. So just copy. See. It. Okay. Now all the attributes of customer. Can you show the customer table? Display the customer table.
What's that?
Click on customer table. You were actually yeah. Yeah. Okay. Now do it here. Now the insert. Put. Okay. Now do it, because you will know all. You can have a view of the. Okay. Now cust ID exactly in that order. Now type it. Cust ID. Comma cust name.
First name?
Yeah.
see.
Yeah. See, Thangy sent you the code.
Address.
I think you should copy it from Thangy. Thangy sent you the code via message.
CG
I
customer.
forgot it.
Did you copy it?
Customer
Yes.
potato.
Okay, now the values. 1009. C1009. C1009.
Oh, C100.
C1009. Okay. Cust name 711. You can put the Manda U. Yeah, the same from the top, from the 1008, the same. Oh, they all have this. Oh, so they all have the different. Oh, they all have different customer names. Sorry. That's up to you. Do it. Put different name. Sorry. That's your data set. You should know. I should not be telling you that. Can you think of any name, or just come up with some name?
I don't know.
We have one in Silang. The one in Silang. Yeah, you already have that. There is one. There is one near. Wait, the one in Silang. How many? No, that's out. That's for you to find out. That's for you to find out. I don't know. I will go to the bathroom and I'll be back.
Insert into customer table, customer ID, customer name, customer address, customer CD, state, postal code, Sina, Cavite.
Má thì giờ tới đây.
Cavite.
States. Postal code.
Yeah, check
သိ
them
နေရတယ်
then.
ငါဖွင့်လို့မှမရတဲ့ဟာကိုငါလက်တော့ကောင်းလို့မရတော့ဒီတိုင်းပဲကြည့်နေတာလေ
I'll take a customer
ဒီကောဒီကိုပဲပြန်ပြီးတော့ဟိုလုပ်မယ်
customer postal
ဒါမှမဟုတ်
test.
ခရစ်စတင်နဲ့လာခဲ့မှလာလို့လာအိမ်ကိုညကြရင်လေ
Hả?
ညကြရင်လို့လာအိမ်မှာလာခဲ့မှလာလို့လာတော့လား
Nhá đi đâu mà hộ.
သူကတညလုံးငါတို့ထိုင်လို့ကြမယ်တဲ့အဲ့မှာသူ့အိမ်မှာနေပြီးတော့လုပ်ရမယ်တဲ့ဟို mission trip truck
Má tên gì? Má tên gì? Cái mà phải. Phụ nữ này.
Balognese.
Follow vào đây.
ငါမှလည်းမှားပြနေရယ်
Hello là.
It's into customer T echo. Oh, it's correct. Customer.
Yeah, it's correct.
Correct?
Use.
Oh no.
No. Column count couldn't match. So that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You missed something.
What's
Customer name, customer address.
Customer name. After customer name, you have to put
Customer address.
No. Address.
Mm-hmm.
What is the address? Okay.
Our customer name is so long. I think it's include the address.
Yeah, I've also thought that.
Mine has the insert into customer T, customer name, customer address, customer CV.
No.
Just put any address.
Something.
What?
Oh.
You're putting a number? Okay. It's up to you to decide. Laguna.
I don't know. Okay.
Just put any name.
Customer
Address in the street.
Okay. Okay. Comma. Okay. Now. Okay. Good. Now let's see the order table. Let's see the order. Okay, fantastic. Now customer 1009 have not made any order. When you join with the order table, nothing will show up because customer ID C001009 will not find a match in order table, and therefore it will not be displayed. Now execute the join table, the join script.
The join.
That's the one.
This
Yeah,
one.
this one. Execute it. No, this is not the one. Where is your script? The
Oh.
previous script.
Here to you test.
No,
Ah,
you already have it. It's somewhere in the tab. Yeah. Now can you read it? There you have it. You see?
9 is not showing.
9 is not showing because customer C1009 did not find a match in customer order table, so it will not be displayed. You understand, no? So customer 1009 did not make any order. Is that clear? Yeah? Yes.
Set 9. They have no 9.
Okay? Fantastic.
Yeah.
Okay, Tangi, I want to see yours.
Okay. Here. Okay, here I create.
On the order table, where is your? I want to see your order table.
at the table.
Okay, so you have okay, so 10 customer 10. Okay. Okay, now can I see your customer table? How many customers you have? You have 11 customers. Okay. Now execute the join script.
Where is that? I have already written. Oh yeah, here.
Okay. Okay, let's see the make the output. Okay. Okay, so 1, 2. Okay, so customer number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So customer number 11 did not make any order, so it will not be listed. Remember that there are two customer ID columns displayed because one is from customer table and one is from order table. Okay, now okay, good, fantastic, both of you are fantastic. Okay, now Chris, share your screen. Now go to the next slide. Don't remove this. Go to the next slide. Where okay, the next slide is this the next slide?
Select customer T.
The next one. The next
Like form.
okay. Okay. Let's go to slide number 3. Let's see. Go to slide number 3. That explains. Okay, see the redundant customer ID columns. Cust ID. It's redundant, right? It is just displaying one from customer table and one from order tables. That's not very beautiful. It's good for the designer. You see that, for your own. But when you have to show it to your boss, the CEO, it's not very beautiful. So you have to join. You have to use another join called natural join. Go to the next slide. There are different types of joining. Natural join. Okay, this one will not. It will eliminate the redundant column. Okay, copy that. Okay, now change the attribute name.
Customer.
Yeah, Tengi, you also do it.
Customer.
select customer T.
Okay, now execute it. From customer underscore, what is that red, the, okay, maybe the previous script did not have a, okay. From customer underscore natural join order. Natural order T.
Over?
No. Execute it. Let's see what message it gives. No. Don't. No. There is no. Okay, execute it. Error code. You have an error. Check the syntax. Can I see the? Wait. I have the script here. Let me see.
Can we put it in there first?
Huh?
PBFC table.
Wait, oh, my machine is slow. Natural join. Or okay, I'll give you. I don't know why it did not work for you. Order by. Okay, wait. I think you missed something. Go back to your slide instead of me giving it to you. Go back to the slide. I think you did not copy the entire script. Did you copy the entire script?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So I'll send it via chat. Okay. I sent it to you via chat.
There have no on.
Order by order ID. Okay. So copy that script from the screen. Order by order ID. So, so you have to, you have to put. The order, you have to put the order by. So the change natural join is okay. Change the customer the attribute names. Okay, and then the okay, then the from space. That from have to have space. Okay, now it will be okay. Execute it. Okay, so now the same output as equijoin, but it is eliminating the what is it called, the
order ID custom.
The customer table, yes, because this output is neater when you have to show it to someone, but the equijoin will do the same thing, but that is good for you as a database administrator, as a data analyst. It's good for you because then it will give it, you can look, you will understand the inner working of the script. You want to do that. Sometimes you need that script, but when you have to show this to your boss, to the CEO, then you will have to use the natural join. Okay, now Tengi, would you like to try that? Fantastic. You are ready for your final project. Did it execute?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Good. Fantastic. Okay, I was looking somewhere else. Good. Fantastic. So now you are avoiding the unnecessary redundant customer ID table. Instead of having two, you have one. Okay, is that clear? Okay. Now to the next slide. That is just an explanation, okay? Outer join, okay.
Join, left outer join.
Different type of join, no?
Outer join.
Is it outer join? The next slide is outer join, right? Okay.
Yeah, outer join.
What does this say? A join in which rows that do not have matching values in common columns are nevertheless. So in this case, for Chris, cast 1009 will also appear, even though it did not find a match.
Rows that do not have matching values in common columns.
Can you also do that?
Yes. Select cast ID. Cast name or ID from constantly with join.
Did you see that, Chris? The difference.
Yes.
The difference between left join, meaning the customer table from the left is looking for a match in the order table on the right, but it did not. It for 1009 it did not find a match, but still it will be displayed. Okay, so that's why the order ID is null. So in this case, for example, you're the CEO, you are the data analyst. The CEO tells you, "Thank Chris, can I have a list of all the customers, irrespective of whether that customer have made an order or not?" Then you will have to use this left join. You understand?
Yes.
And then if the CEO tells you, "Chris, Tangi, I want," or Elisette, if the CEO tells you, "I want to have a list of only those customers who have made orders," then you will have to use natural join.
Natural join.
Is that-
Excuse me?
Yes?
No.
No. But
Because
I'm happier.
one thing you were
I'm
sleeping.
happier looking. Okay. Tangi, would you like to try it or we move on? Are you able to do it successfully? The left join.
Yes.
Okay. Good.
Join customer without order.
Yes. Without an order will be listed. So that's very important because why? The CEO will tell you, "I want to see all those customers, even if those customer have not made an order. I want to see." Okay. And the natural join or the equijoin is not very useful to show it to CEO because it will give you two columns of the same thing. So you use that, but it's important for designers or analysts because you want to see. Okay. So you will use natural join if the CEO tells you, "I want to see all those customers, only those customers who have made an order." Then you use natural join. Okay. So outer join, left join. Now so you see. Okay. Now then right, there is something called right join. Right join. Okay. Right outer join. Let's see. I think you have to type it. Or you just the same thing. You instead of left outer join, you say left right outer join. Go to the script. Go to my SQL. Right outer join. Yeah. Let's see. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah. Now execute it. Okay, so what happened is in this case it's going to look for a match from order table. Okay, it's going to look for a match from order table. Okay, let's see, what does the slide say? Let me see my slides. What does the slide say? I also forgot. What does the slide say about right outer join? Okay. Would return all orders.
What's that? Set join.
So order because the same.
Right, because okay.
All order because Every order be associated with the customer. This right order will ensure that only reflection and being reinforced. Customer who had not placed order will not be included. In the
Yeah,
result.
so okay, is
Instead
that
of
clear?
had not
Yeah.
placed order.
Yeah, so that is the output because the join is coming from order to the from the right hand side. You know why we say left and right? Go back to the slide. Go back to my SQL. Okay, now I want you to put from to the next line. It's easier to read. From to the next line. Take it to the next line. From. From, just place your cursor there and press enter key. Take it to the next line. If you put it in one,
Make it 2 line.
yeah, make it 2 line.
Make it
Was
2.
it?
Yeah, no, remove that. Make it 2 line. The script, the script, the
No.
စာကြောင်းတစ်ကြောင်းထဲကိုနှစ်ပိုင်းခွဲလိုက်လို့ဗျာ
yeah.
Yes.
Okay, make it okay,
yes.
and then okay, right, okay, and then it's easier to read that way, no? From customer, and then on the next line, the next line. Okay, so it's easier to read. Okay, now why are we saying left and right join? Because when we are specifying the customer table, customer is specified first and then next is order. So customer becomes left and then customer table becomes left and then order table becomes right. Okay, so that's left and right. That's why we say okay. So in this case, when we are saying right join from the order table, it is looking for a match in the customer table. The order table did not find a match for 1009, and therefore it will not return any what is it called? It will not return any empty what is it records. 1009 will not be listed. Can you again execute that right join, the right join, not the left join? Did you see 1009 listed? Can you minimize the output? Can you make the output window less, because we cannot see it fully, the output window, the message? Yeah, okay. 1009 is not listed because order table did not find a match, and it is not going to list it because remember customer ID cannot be null, right? The referential integrity. So therefore you cannot have a customer ID empty there. Okay, and also the best way to understand is from order table it will look for a match in the customer table. It will not list it because customer ID in that join table, the output cannot be null. But when you look for a match from the left hand side to the right hand side, the customer table 1009 will be listed because it is not null, and the order table is a foreign key, so it can be null. Is that clear? Check the what is it called? Can you execute the left join again? Can you execute the left join again? See, 1009, okay, is listed and order ID is null. Why? Because the order ID is just a foreign key. Remember, primary key and foreign key? Okay, the foreign key can be null in a table. Okay, that's referential integrity, that's the rule, and therefore it will return, it will list that. When you join from order table to the customer table, can you execute the right join? 1009 is not listed because customer ID is a primary key, it cannot be null. That's the rule. Therefore it will not be displayed at all. Is that clear? That's the rule. So just yeah, okay, is that clear? So when you want to see all the customers who have made orders and who have not made orders, you have to use the, what is it called, the right right join, right? Or did I say left join? Yeah, the left join, left join. Okay, yeah, that's basically that. Simple, right? Okay, let's go to the slide. Union. You see, maybe, okay, what else is there? Union. Execute that script. Yeah, union. Okay, customer. And also see the order and the order underscore T. Yeah, the
Customer. Cost ID.
cost ID. Okay, so it's basically just used to find out to look for a match in both the tables, and then it will just what is it give it will just give a list. Okay, so you have the MySQL found a match in customer table and what is it and order table on cust ID, and then and then listed it. Okay, so yeah, that means union means both the join. It joins the two tables on customer ID and then just listed the common attribute that was found there. Okay, so go on to the next one, union all. Okay, it's the same thing. Go back to the script, instead of union, just union all. Go back to the go back to MySQL. Yeah, MySQL. Okay, now copy that, and then instead of union, just say union all. Union all. Okay, execute that. You see, it will give you the redundant, the redundant, what is it? Yeah, from order table, right? The order table have redundant customer ID, right? Am I right? Yes. So the union just gives you the matching customer ID, matching, right? But in union all, it gives you even the matching and also the redundant, because in order ID, in order table, the customer ID is repeated number of times, right? Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Simple. Okay. Yes, order order ID 1001 appeared how many times? I think it appeared how many times in order table? In your order table.
Order table?
Yeah, check your order table. It appears two times. How come it appeared 3 times when you union all? It appeared. Oh, that means it is.
maybe it's from
customer table, and then 2 from the order table. Correct.
From
the order table. Yes. Very good. Oh yeah. So yeah. So different type of joins, no? Okay. Now go to the next one. The last one. Self join. This is important for the employee table. can you copy that? I think you need to type it. This will be the last one. And we have done a good job. Your spelling.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. Okay, now copy that. I want you to execute this on the PVFC table data set first.
PVFC.
Yes.
PVFC.
Okay, now let's look at the employee table first. Wait, let's look at the employee table. Employee table, PVFC. Okay, now you have two employees, Jim Jason and Robert Lewis. And then Robert Lewis is the supervisor for Jim Jason. Okay, did you see that? So that is a self join. Okay, now execute that script. Okay, so now did you see? It is giving you a list of the employee and their and the manager. Okay, so in this case what happens is that you are creating a self join, meaning you are joining one table with itself, and therefore you created a virtual table called employee underscore TE and then employee underscore TM. You created two tables. By doing that, you created two tables of the same thing, and then you look for a join. Okay, now let's try implementing that on your data set.
Just share me the script.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I have the edit one.
You have to edit the attribute names, I think.
Select. What does that mean? Select E employee ID.
Chris, can I see your employee table? Can I see your employee table? Okay, yes. Right there, paste your script there itself, so it's easier to see.
Mm-hmm.
Copy it from there. Copy it from there, and then go to, and then okay. So it's easier to visualize, no? Okay, now EMP employee underscore T E and then employee underscore T M. You are creating a virtual replica at runtime. Okay. So let's see. Let me see the supervisor. EMP supervisor is equal to m.emp id. So you want to have a list, the names of all the supervisors for all employees. Okay, let's see. Moment of truth. Fantastic. Did you see that?
Yes.
Wonderful. I am so excited. I'm more excited than both of you, than all of you actually. Oh, this is beautiful. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Tangy, let me see yours.
I'm doing.
Now you are ready for a final project presentation, except the documentation make it even more beautiful, more it's already beautiful, but make it more you will have
You need to change EMP.
EMP.
Why do we have to present?
When do you have to let's see, after I come back, I'll be back on 26th.
Okay, so
Lola and Charlotte really missed it today. I really,
after we arrive back from Thailand.
Yes. Lola and EMP ID, employee underscore T, employee underscore, okay.
And the EMP supervisor.
And then
S underscore S. Okay.
Uh-huh.
And EMP ID.
Uh-huh.
Moment of truth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Beautiful, beautiful. So what it is doing is what it is doing is at runtime. At runtime, it is creating employee table, another employee table at runtime, okay, and then looking for a match. So it the same table created a replica at runtime, a virtual. I mean, only at runtime, not permanently. And then within that, the two tables now exist, and then looks for a match, and then displays it here. Okay. So
If we close that table, this one, the script will be lost, right?
don't close it. Yeah, please, all these scripts. Yeah.
SQL file 8, just put it in there.
Yeah. So if I were you, I will create a. If I were you, I would create a. What is it? A Word document with all the scripts and the output. Yeah. So you see, so in my specification, the rubric, I have made a list of all the I made a list of all the SQL features that you will have to showcase in your presentation. So so this is how I think we have covered all except for create view. Maybe you can let you do it yourself. Create view. Maybe you can research that. Let's see. And then so I'm not going to ask you in the in the final presentation. I'm not going to ask you anything new. I will only be looking for what is in the rubric, and you can execute all these in whatever way you want to. But you already have them now. Okay, very, very wonderful, very nice. So, and then in the slides there is something called subquery. That's really, really advanced. That is a query within another query, but I will not ask you to do that. I will, even though it's in the rubric, I will give that as a free point to everyone. But because that you can research that yourself, and it's not it's already like a programming language. It's not the most important. Okay, the most important is you have learned them all, including the different type of joining of two tables. That is what makes it relational database management system, right? The joining of two tables. So that is all it is. If you have any questions, please, I'll be available online. So just let me know. Okay? Yeah? Yeah. Any more?
You said that you will talk about the
Okay, the documentation.
Paper?
Okay, the paper. So Tengi was asking me what does it mean by how do I make a justification for my project? Okay, so remember you asked, okay, why do you justify this project? The simple thing is you have to defend yourself, saying why is this subject important. So like I said, I'm going to show you. Okay, I'm going to show you what I did with I showed Tengi. Okay, I'm going to share my screen. where is it, the chat GPT. Okay, so I showed this to Thingy and I said you have to just Google or ask chat GPT and say what is the importance of relational database management system. Okay, so these are the different importance. Just write this down. The data organization, the RDBMS provides a structured way to store and organize data into tables, rows and columns, ensuring data integrity. That is all what we have been talking about for the past almost 2 months. Query flexibility, structured query language. It gives you the ability to implement and execute SQL. Scalability, concurrent data security, data consistency. We talked about data consistency. So these are some of the things you can write in your report. Okay, I think in one of the so is that clear? I hope Chale, Lola and Geoffrey will also do this. I wanted to tell them that, but I hope they watch this video. And then you can Google also. So you can, if you have 2-3 other sources, and put them together in your report. So that's one. Okay, so that justifies the reason why you are doing this project. Okay, so and then another one was Thingy was asking how do I explain back end and front end. I think I explained that in one of the videos. Even the figure was shown there. Which video? I think unit 1. Which video?
Unit 1, 2.
Video 2 or video 1,
also
something like that. Yeah,
0.
you can yes. So what is, you can even ask ChatGPT. Let's see. But if you have to get a diagram, you might have to Google it. Okay, so I have explained that. So it simply means back end, meaning this SQL, these databases are stored in the server, right, in the cloud. And then the front end is what you see in your app. See, like I've always said, Lazada, this is the front end. Okay, and there are software engineers who specialize in this. They are software developers, they are programmers. Okay, and actually they probably use programming languages, but they insert SQL scripts. Whatever you have learned, it is inserted here. Okay, so and they use that to communicate with that database in the server, the communication between my phone and the database in the server. So this is the front end. Okay, this is the front end, and the database is the back end, and they use SQL to communicate with each other. SQL and other programming languages mixed. Okay, so they cannot use SQL only is not enough. That is only for communication with a database, but they need other programming languages for these images and others. Okay, so SQL is one tool that they use in this app. They have to use it to communicate with the data in the server. So this is the front end, and the database that is in the server is the back end. There are people who specialize in back end development. Okay, so and what you learned in this course is one big aspect of the back end development and back end maintenance. So if you were to take up a job in one of the back-end maintenance, it would probably be database administrator or data analyst. Okay, because you have learned the structure, the technology involved in the maintenance, in the building of a database and the maintenance of a database, and how to communicate with the database. You have learned that. So your role would be in the back end. Your role will be in the back end aspect of this of the entire e-commerce enterprise, and specifically you would probably take up a job as a data analyst or a database administrator. Okay, so that would do you understand that? Yes. So let me ask ChatGPT, what is the difference between back end and front end of software development? See, for web applications and services. You see? Okay, you don't have to go into great details like this. Okay, so what does it say? In software development, particularly web application, the term back end and front end refer to different aspects. Okay, the front end is the user interface, the UI. Like I said, the UI. Okay, you can get better, more. You will get millions of. This is the UI, the user interface. Okay, the UI, user experience, UI and user experience component. That is the front end. That's it. Okay, so such as element, buttons, forms, menus, visual. Okay, there are people who specialize only in the designing of the user interface. Those people usually have two types of skills. They are technology oriented, and they also have an eye for design. They are a little bit of designers. Okay, they have an eye for beautiful things. Usually those type of people take up jobs in for user UI interface job. It's a big area too. It has a lot to do with design and arts. So that is the front end. That's basically okay. And the back end is what? The back end refers to the part of the app that appears behind the scenes and is responsible for processing requests. That is what we call the SQL. From the front end, okay, executing business logic, that business rules, and interacting with businesses, databases. That's it. Okay. So see, MySQL databases like MySQL. Look at this. Okay, Postgres SQL. I think this is what they use in IS. So okay. So that's about it. That's okay. So that is the difference between front end and back end. That is a very simple explanation. I'm not looking for any high end explanation. I'm just looking for a good explanation with the diagram. I think the diagram, you can even, let me Google it. Let's see. Can you see my web, this one? You can see, right?
No.
Huh? You cannot?
No.
Okay, so
Yeah, because you are just sharing.
Yeah,
the
yeah.
things.
Let me share and then I will stop. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to say what is difference between front end and back end. So web develop. Okay. See, front-end developers are responsible for what users see on a website, like the layout, design, back-end developers handle everything you can see, including databases. You see that? And let's look at the images. Okay. Okay, back-end versus front end. Okay, I think you can just copy from my slide. I don't know from where I got it from. That was a very good explanation. Okay, just take it from my video for the graph. Okay, so is any more questions?
Is it? Can I share it?
Yeah.
Mine. First, I want to ask like that. Is that okay?
Yes, very good, yes, that's very good. Data storage, data management, data security, all that you did, you learned all these: data storage, data management, queries, administration. Okay, and then IDE is a user interface, it's called the interactive development environment, something like that. Okay, that's the user. That is perfect. Fantastic.
And then how about this one in here? Was it EMP SQL? But you in your paper you said that skill, but
it's okay. Perfect.
Table,
very nice. Beautiful. Very nice. Wonderful. I like your design. So you have a little bit of a design, an eye for good design. That's good.
Thank you.
So if you have any problem, you can always ask for a one-to-one consultation. Okay? Okay, now go to bed. Yeah, let me stop